Yes, now let us see the first finding the value of y1. So I have taken h as 0.2. So I have to find y1 and y2. So to find y1, what is the set of formulae? This is the set of formulae. Now what is h 0.2? Initially here we have to perform this iteration. Repeatedly we have to perform iterations. When k is equal to 0, when k is equal to 1, k is equal to 2. So we continuously perform the iteration within the formula. So now y1 at 0 is equal to h 0.2 into f of x naught is 0, y naught is 0. So this comes to be, substitute this value in f of xy. 1 minus 2 into 0 is 1. 0.2 into 1. So this is equal to 0.2. So now this is the value which we got. So first approximation. Therefore, first approximation of y1. First approximation of y1. Looking this is equal to y naught is 0. h by 2, 0.2 by 2 into f of x naught 0, y naught 0. Looking this we have to write plus f of x1, already I have written x1, 0.2. y1 at 0, just now we calculated 0.2. So again you have to substitute these two values in the function here what we have taken, these two values again in the same function. So if you substitute and if you calculate, this comes to be 0.192. This is 0.1 into f of 0 is 1. f of 0.2 is 0.92. So answer is 0.192. That is the first approximation of y1. Next, put k is equal to 1 where in equation 2. Therefore, second approximation of y1. So look this formula and write y naught plus h by 2 into f of x naught y naught plus f of x1 y1 first approximation. Just now we got first approximation of y1. All the time remember here only this term changes whenever you calculate y1. So this is equal to 0 plus 0.2 by 2 is 0.1, f of 0 plus f of x1 is 0.2. First approximation of y1 we got this. All the time only this will be changing, 0.192. So if you evaluate, this is equal to 0.19232. 19232. So next put k is equal to 2 in 2. So what is that we get here? Third approximation of y1 is equal to same formula y naught plus h by 2. We are doing the iterations here. We are performing the iterations. x naught y naught plus f of x1. This time second approximation of y1. Just now we calculated. So substitute those values. So we get here, this is y naught is 0 plus h is 0.2 by 2 is 0.1, f of 0 plus f of x1 is 0.2 and second approximation just now we got 0.19232. Substitute these in the given function 1 minus 2xy and if you evaluate this will be 0.1923 is the answer. So now you observe in the above second approximation after decimal 4 digits are same. Here in the third approximation after decimal 4 digits are same. Therefore, second approximation of y1 is equal to third approximation of y1 which is equal to 0.1923. Therefore, what is our y1? y1 is equal to 0.1923. Why did we stop here? Because two successive iterations have got the same value. Second approximation and third approximation got the same value. So therefore y1 is equal to 0.1923. y1 means where did we find out? y1 is nothing but y at x1 0.2. So problem is not over up to here. Again we have to calculate y2 means y at 0.4. That is what being asked in the problem. Find y of 0.4. We have to calculate y at 0.4. So we need to calculate y2 also. So in order to calculate y2, again the same set of formulae. We have to put here n as 1. If we put n as 1, everything will be changed to wherever we have x0, y0, this is 1. Next here also we have, all these will be changed, y1, x1, y1, x2, y2. Now we put k is equal to 0 in 2. When we put k is equal to 0 in 2 here, so when k is equal to 0 in equation 2, we get n is equal to 1. N is equal to 1 here, what is that? N is equal to 1. 1 plus 1. This becomes 2. y2. So all these values will be changed to y2, y2, y2. So this is y2, first approximation. This is y1. This is also y1. This is also y1. This is x2. This is y2. y2. All will be changed. So what is 0th approximation of y2? Is nothing but h into f of x1. This is also y1. So we have to calculate. This is how we have to calculate. The entire set of formulae will be changed. Now we will perform iterations for finding y2. We will be changing k, how we have done here. So now we have to take y1 as 0.1923. That is the value of y1 wherever we have y1. Already I have written you x1 and x2 here. So now let us see the 0th approximation of see the calculation once.